Okay, so today I'm going to be doing my favorite thing with the Rubik's Cube. Okay. So what you need is, what I'm going to be using is a GAN 356R and the screwdriver that comes with it. So what I'm going to do is pop the center cap off, so it's just the spring right here, and then just loosen it up real good to where it's tight enough that it won't pop off, but not so loose that it just pops, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let's see. All right, so I'm just gonna do it with my finger because the screwdriver is so fat. Look how fat it is. All right. Okay. Okay. You can see it's really loose right now. And, alright, I'm going to show you later. I just need to clean up real quick. Alright. I'm all done cleaning up. And look. See, there's a bulge right there. Oh my god. This is what the cube looks like. Top fell off. And want to see what happened? This is what happened. I'm just gonna grab everything. Oh man. Guesses. Okay. If you want to see what it looks like, this is the core. Alright. I was going to show you something, but it's not. Alright. See, it's a blue core. This is going to turn to kind of cube review. Okay. So, blue core. Socket for the spring right here to sit in. And these. I don't know if you can see it. See, come on. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a hold on, I need to get better lighting. Honeycomb. You can barely see it, but there you go. And same with the edges. Alright, so yeah, hurry up and do this. So out of frame. Okay, if you just want to reassemble a cube, I'm not gonna help. Oh god. Okay, you just put it right there. I'm just gonna pulling it right there. This is not a very good angle, but it's the best I can do. Then this in there. And then where is it? Orange. Okay. Then put this in there. The next one. Oh no. This one. Okay. This has become a disaster. Oh no. Alright. Okay. I need to show you. Put this last corner in. It's the hardest corner to put in, by the way. Because the last one's always the hardest. Alright, and then, come on. Okay, it's in. But then this part's incredibly hard right here. Putting in the edge. Alright, you're not gonna get to see this, actually. You might, but I'm not that advanced, so alright. See this? My technique is you twist it at this sort of angle and then just push it in. Now it's complete. It's just missing one thing. It's that. This is what I want to show you. Bam. And then, alright, get a better angle. Sorry, that's my finger. There. See that? Alright. Now you put the staff. Come on. No, okay. Now, put that in. Press that in. Got the spring. You shove that in here. Then, you don't need the screwdriver for now, but just spin it around. I might put the link to this cube in the description if you want it. If you ever get this hobby, or if you already have it, then, or if you already have the hobby, that's what I meant, then you can get this cube. It's pretty good. But it's like, alright, it's good. Alright. That was a disaster. This is it. Alright, so you only get the screwdriver if you get Gans cubes. Right there. Got this from Speed Cube Shop if you ever want it. Yeah. This is the video. So I'm just gonna talk to you. Alright. It's gonna be a longer video. I don't know why it's longer, but give us. Come on, okay. Yeah. Cube, screwdriver. I don't want. Bam. Oh. Bam. Okay. Then. Alright. So now it's just gonna be me and this unicorn. Alright, that's gonna be the thumbnail picture. Alright, so that's the video. And I just have one more thing to tell you. That's not my favorite thing to do. It was a lie. Alright, it was a joke. If I got you, that was a good joke, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. Okay. Alright, see you people later. Bye. Oh! Happened again. It's gonna take you on an adventure in my house.
Finish it?
Yeah, I'm done.
What's it about?
Oh,
You.
hi.
You're doing homework.
Yeah.
Alright, that's the end of the video. Bye.